Hello guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to add widgets in your Facebook, how to add alerts, like alert or share alerts. First thing you need to do is go to streamlabs.com and then log in your account. Then make sure you use your main gaming account, and then you go to widgets, then click alert box, then go to likes, so here you can change the media, or you can change the picture. Example, this dog, and then select. You can even change the sound. Go here, change media, stock files, and then sounds. No, I don't like that. New message. Okay, can even adjust the duration. Mine is set to 7 seconds. Then important is go here, then you copy this, so we're going to need that later. Then go back to your OBS, here add source, and then browser, rename it to alerts. Okay, then you paste here the URL that we've copied before, then okay, can adjust it here, and then resize. Okay, after we've done that, you can test it now. Go to your Streamlabs and then test it. Okay, oh, see that? There's something because I've done it before. So it's so easy, man. So I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Follow my page or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.